Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here, and it is day 22 in my 31-day series of how to get your yarn a little more organized as we move into the new year. So I think this setup is absolutely perfect for just about everybody. I mean, it seems really doable. It's pretty easy to come across a dresser, right? Or as my mother-in-law would say, chest of drawers. But you can always find these in thrift stores. You can find them in antique stores, of course. And if you're not willing to pay top dollar, that's fine. You can also get a decent dresser at Target or Walmart. Even at a garage sale, that's a good place to look. Rummage sales, all kinds of places like that. If you can't find the look you want, try some DIY videos to maybe help you find the look that you want to fit your decor. You also don't have to use a super big drawer. Now I know in this particular picture it is like really big wide drawers, but you could also use a dresser with smaller drawers to kind of sort out your yarn, right? Maybe you have all of one type of yarn in one drawer and all of another type in a different drawer. There's lots of different possibilities here. So that being said, I think this is a great idea and I would love to know what you think of this idea. So let me know in the comments below, how do you store your yarn, and would you ever considering storing all of your yarn in a nice tidy little dresser? I'd love to hear from you. I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're enjoying this series. Again, let me know if you are, and if you'd like, you can look at all of these Pinterest ideas that I have on my Pinterest board. The link is in the description box below. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.